How you doing?
Hey Petty Fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Reginae went to the studio with me today. Armoney lifestyle. Let's get into it.
Come on, princess. Let me put this camera down so they can't see through the camera.
How you doing?
Hey, wait. Don't turn off that light. Oh my God, back up a little bit. Let me see you. Girl, you looking good today.
Thank you.
I like the hair.
Thank you, baby. I love the hair, Reginae.
Yeah, baby girl got her little hair done.
Lovely.
We finna make our way on into these little streets, you feel what I'm saying?
You starving me.
I'm not starving her at all, y'all. Not starving her at
Why don't you get her something to eat then, bruh?
all.
Armand doesn't eat.
I do eat, y'all. Babe, stop saying that before they start making fun of me saying that's why I'm skinny and stuff. You want them to be talking about your boyfriend, girl? But it's a lot going on, y'all. It's a lot going on. Finna make a little stop at this little boutique, and then y'all know y'all gonna just vibe with us today. We barely post, but you know we gonna post for y'all. Look, you about to run back inside the house? Ain't nobody gonna harm you, girl. Come here. You can stand up there so you can be tall as me. Again.
Hi guys.
What y'all doing?
So my eyes getting better. Hey, what are you doing?
It's for real, it's real. But yeah, 1, 2, 3, and she's so pretty. She pretty, y'all.
Thank you very much.
All right, y'all, but we finna we gonna get back on y'all when we done.
We're on an episode of Starred by Your Man, episode 1.
Y'all, the fact that
I like she's funny like this. She is so much fun.
Losing energy. I'm losing oxygen. I'm putting lip gloss because this is the only thing that I can eat.
y'all, the
Feed the girl. Feed her.
fact that I can sit up here and watch her get dressed from 9 o'clock to 11 or 10.
Babe.
And I just need to grab me something just to put on. She want to look all beautiful. And my barber called me. I got to get a line up too.
Oh, see, that's why I should have brought my car.
But that's what I was telling you.
Yeah.
See, I don't rush you when you get dressed.
Y'all not waiting on this.
I let you look beautiful. I let you come out the
I could have
house.
went to go get something to eat with my friends and met up with you. See, you did not tell me about your haircut, babe. You didn't tell me about that. You look good already.
Babe, my hairline is falling off.
Let me see. Tried to catch that motherfucking off.
Yeah, all right. Okay.
See, I love her. She's so funny. Petty Fam. All right, Reginae, you Petty Fam. That was Petty. He already subconscious about his hair. She's like, ooh, I caught it. There you go, babe.
Everything is funny and you want to laugh and think everything is cute. Okay. Okay. So, like I was saying, y'all.
That's how you know it's a good one. He can't even come back.
She started to think she could joke around with me like I'm not the king of roasting. You know? But
You gonna take my picture?
of course, princess. But yeah, y'all, so we finna go inside this little store. You feel me? Lighting look kind of terrible right now. But finna go inside the store and then let y'all see what I'm getting.
This it?
Show her outfit, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Now it's time for her to pick me out an outfit. Which I don't think she's going to be able to do. That's already in the wrong direction.
Wait, hold up. I'm just looking.
Oh, okay, my fault.
What color scheme are you liking right now? You want to match?
That you can't lie. I really made you something fire. Did I not? Did I not?
Yeah.
Thank you.
With your help.
No, I don't.
Look at the attendant. She's like, she got something to say, but she ain't trying to lose her commission.
think she found nothing.
I found the Supreme shirt though.
You did. You found.
I found the shit and I found the shorts.
You did.
Wait,
No,
you really didn't help me.
I found the shorts.
He really do be forgetting stuff. He like,
I said these are cute, and I came out and I said y'all like these.
Oh, you did. Oh.
Oh,
No.
I found you found the shoes.
No, I really found the shirt too.
Look at her face.
I really found the shirt. I feel like I'm getting this.
I mean, she told me to grab it.
Yeah.
I really found the shirt, but okay. So that means you can't pick out my stuff. Never in life. What is that? Put that back where you got it from. That
That's not his style. I don't know if you get Trey to wear it, but I know Armoney ain't wearing it.
is terrible. Yeah, so I picked out her clothes.
And I picked out his.
No, she didn't.
Yes, I did.
Say no, okay, I picked out her clothes.
I picked out this shirt.
And she picked out mine. No, she did. You did. You did. Yeah.
I said we going.
You picked out the shoes.
Yeah, to be honest, I wanted him to go with these other things, but he didn't want to do that. So I picked that. That's my second option. Yeah, he gonna go with it because we kind of matching.
Y'all, don't let her.
See, I like she took his camera. That's girlfriend cam. She's like, okay, I'm gonna talk to y'all by myself.
A lot of y'all. I picked out her clothes. Picked out my clothes. Because I.
You see how he lying? Because I ain't say none of it.
What you say?
I said that you did pick it out. You see how I picked out my clothes and he picked out his.
Okay. I picked out yours and I picked out mine. Oh, my fault.
Y'all like the red?
Can y'all?
Red is fire. I like that, girl.
My hat's in, bro. My 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, the hats. What hats in? Oh, your hat. Oh, yeah, your hats.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Okay, y'all, so we're checking out. Hey.
We're gonna get up out of here.
I'm about to go.
Alright, y'all, what's the deal, man? So today, we are in the studio. You know what I'm saying? I have a couple guests. You know, we don't have Danny today. We got my mans in the building. This is who I normally work with. He do a lot of my sessions. Shout out to Danny, though. That's no shout at Danny. She was very cool. But we have the writer 3K in the building. You feel what I'm saying? She's going to help me jot down my thoughts onto the beat.
That's right. He got him a writer. He's shouting out people. That's why I like Armoney. He's very humble and he show love where it's needed.
You know what I'm saying? They helped me come up with something about this young lady right here. You get what I'm saying? My baby girl Reginae is in the building tour.
That's so cute. He writing songs about her. Now, also, y'all already know that I'm not trying to get copywritten. So, you know, as much as I love and appreciate his work, I'm not trying to get in trouble. So it's going to get fast forward it. Just notice.
You know what I'm saying? Then I got my guy D2. The golden producer of all time.
Why I gotta do that, bro?
Yo, bro, why you gotta go?
I gotta go crazy.
Yeah, but this is a new beat. So take a listen to this beat. Let's turn it up real quick. First four. Yeah, that. Yeah. Okay. And then turn that for me. Okay, I'm sorry.
So just at the last two, just start to like settle down a little bit so you can get right into your.
Okay.
So just slow it down a little bit. You can keep the same melody, just vibe into your second part a little bit.
Okay, let me hear it.
I'm holding down and keep it beat till the morning. And down, down, and down, and down, and down, down, and down.
Yeah, buddy, we right here.
So you ain't gotta say it in a discussion. Ain't gotta say it in a discussion.
Yeah.
kiss at the
I'm gonna hold it down and keep it until the morning. No need to debate it. I'm just how you want. It's how you want it. I'm on.
All right. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noodle Squad.